Attention, do not play this video over the air. No ponga este video en la radio.
Now time for the official National Weather Service weather forecast issued 5 a.m. on April 27, 2010 for the WXK-85 listening area for the following counties in Oklahoma: Kingfisher, Logan, Canadian, Payne, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Grady, McLean, Cleveland and Pottawatomie, including the cities of Kingfisher, Guthrie, Yukon, Stillwater, Oklahoma City, Chandler, Chickasha, Newcastle, Norman and Shawnee. Today, heavy rain. Highs around 70. South winds around 15 miles an hour, becoming southeast this afternoon. Tonight, heavy rain. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming east after midnight. Wednesday, heavy rain.
The National Weather Service is predicting near continuous rain for the next 3 days, issuing a flash flood watch just a few minutes ago for the Oklahoma City area. This announcement comes at the heels of a massive system of storms sweeping across the state right now. And for the first time since 1963, we might be seeing the Oklahoma River top its banks and flood much of downtown. This storm system is already over the city, which I'm sure you noticed by the fact it's raining outside. We will keep you all updated on what happens as this goes on.
A flash flood watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Time Friday for Oklahoma County and Cleveland County. Remember, a flash flood watch means that a flash flood could occur at any time. If you encounter a flooded roadway, turn The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for southern Oklahoma County, northern Cleveland County, until 4 a.m. Central Time on Thursday. At 10:30 a.m. Central Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 7 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 4 to 6 inches are possible. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage in low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oklahoma City, Del City, Bethany, and Valley Brook. Turnaround: don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
A flash flood warning was just issued for Oklahoma and Cleveland County. Currently, no overtopping of the Oklahoma River has occurred, although that could change at any minute, so be prepared. Remember, if you come across a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. 58% of all deaths from a flood occur in a vehicle. Your SUV is not a boat, it is a car. It is not watertight. It will just stall and leave you in a broken, wet car. I don't know about you, but having to sit in a wet anything is not fun, let alone a wet car. Better yet, don't drive anywhere. There's a flash flood warning and a lot of places are closed. Where do you need to be that bad? Just stay home and put towels in your door. You'll be fine. We are currently keeping an eye on Lake Overholser and the North Canadian River right now, as many are preparing to evacuate due to rapidly rising water levels. These storms are expected to sustain this heavy rainfall until Thursday morning, so
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flood warning for the North Canadian River at Oklahoma City until late Thursday at 7 p.m. The stage was 16.3 feet at 11 a.m. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by 12 p.m. and rise to 18.1 feet by 3 p.m. The river will peak at near 22 feet by early Thursday. The river will fall below flood stage by Thursday evening. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
And there is the message many in the area were expecting. The flood stage for the Oklahoma River is 17 feet, meaning it is a mere 8 inches from topping its banks right now. This storm is on track right now to dump about 15 inches of rain on just Oklahoma City over the course of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. The street outside of our studio right now is honestly more water than road, and it probably won't get much better. We will keep you all updated on this matter. Also, I'm just going to skip to Friday because the next 2 days are going to be more or less the same as right now. See you there. All right, welcome to Friday. Water levels in the Oklahoma River are finally closer to normal, with the river's current stage sitting at 14.2 feet. Still higher than normal, but that is a full 9 feet lower than its peak Thursday morning, which was 22.8 feet. This flooding wasn't enough to completely destroy anything, although many buildings were damaged by this near-record flooding.
Wow, I can't believe our dam actually held up to that. It did better than the Lawrenceburg. Wait, they're listening. Cut the recorders.